जय गणपति देवा, प्रभु जय गणपति देवा। विघ्न विनाशन स्वामी,
विघ्न विनाशन स्वामी,
सुख संपत्ति देवा। ओम जय गणपति देवा। पार्वती पुत्र कहावो, शंकर सुत स्वामी,
प्रभु शंकर सुत स्वामी।
गजानंद ओम श्री गणेशाय नमः। ओम श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। नारायणं नमस्कृत्यं नरं चैव नरोत्तमं, देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरये। Devotees, we all gathered here tonight for the final session of the Ganesh Mahapurana Yajna. Before I commence reciting the Katha, we ask each and everyone to try to picture a beautiful form of Lord Ganesh in your mind as we chant these verses which are dedicated to his worship. Om Sumukashtaikadantasha Kapilo Gajakarnaka Lambodara Savikato Vigananasho Vinayaka Dhumraketur Ganajacho Balachandro Gajanana Dvadashaitani Namani Yapate Trannayadapi Vidyarambe Vivahita Praveshe Nirgami Tata Sangrami Sankati Chaiva Viganata Sanajayati Shuklam Vardaram Devam Shashivaranam Chaturbhujam Prasanavajanam Jai Sarva Vigno Pashandaye Abhipsitartha Siddhyartha Pujito Yasura Surai Sarva Viganarastasmai Ganadipataye Namah Shivatanai Varishtama Sarva Kalyanamurati Parashu Kamalahastam Shobhitam Modakena Arun Kusumamala Vyalaya Yopavitam Mama Hriday Nivasam Shri Ganesham Namami Vajrajanda Mahadaya Koti Surya Mama Prabha Aviganam Kuru Videva Sarvakari Sarvada Viganeshwarai Varadai Surapriyaya Lambodarai Sakalai Jagadvitai Naganai Shrutiyadya Vibhuchitaya Gauri Sutai Gananath Namo Namaste Bhattartinashana Parayai Ganeshwaraya Sarveshwarai Shubharai Sureshwarai Vidyadharai Vikatai Chavamanaya Bhatta Prasanvarai Namo Namaste Namaste Brahmarupaya Vishnurupaya Te Namah Namaste Rudrarupaya Karirupaya Te Namah Vishwarupa Swarupaya Namaste Brahmacharine Bhakti Priyaya Devaya Namastubhyam Vinayaka Lambodara Namatubhyam Satatam Modaka Priya Niraviganam Kuru Medeva Sarvakarishu Sarvada Avahanam Najanami Tavachanam Pujamachaiva Najanami Kshamaseti Ganeshwara. Bolo Shri Ganesham Bhagavan Ki Jai. Those who were present last night would recall we stopped where Lord Ganesh was explaining the don'ts, the things that you shouldn't do. And I will recap the entire yajna for you now. The first night is faith. The first night in any year there is faith. Faith is what brings you there. The second night is humility. That once you cross the threshold to reach the second night, you open up to people around you. The third night is wisdom. The greatest tool that the human being has to ward off obstacles and difficulties. And then contentment on the fourth night. That in life is a combination of happiness and sorrow. One day you're happy, one day you're sad. One day you're going to win, one day you're going to lose. And then the fifth night is courage. That regardless of the difficulties you encounter in life, courage makes you overcome that. And the sixth night, the sweetest gift to life, the love for God and the love for the Dharma. The seventh night is discipline. That it turns the devotion that we have into internal transformation. The eighth night is the greatest prayer that the human could chant. And the greatest prayer is gratitude. To be grateful for the things that you have in this life. The ninth night is detachment. That you see things differently. The 10th night, nothing looks the same. It's an internal transformation that you go through. And the final night, which is tonight, is called the Visarja. Visarja means that nothing in this world lasts forever. Wherever it comes from, it has to go back there. In the same way, we have all come from the elements, we will go back into the elements. The sad thing is, 4 of the elements, human has polluted. He has polluted the air. He has polluted the earth. Where's the next one? Water, oh God. The amount of feather floating in water, thank God, fowl can't swim. Right? Where's the next one? Wherever the next one is. But there is one element that you cannot pollute. Fire. Fire is the purifier. This is why when we die, we go for cremation. It is the purification of everything. Regardless of how pretty gold is, when they put it in fire, then you realize how contaminated it is. Because it burns out the contamination. So tonight's katha is really everything returns to its source. Before we begin tonight, let us join together in the chanting of the Ganesh Stotra. Yato nanda shakti nanda shadiva yato nirgunada prameyato nasti yato vati sarva kreda vina vindam sadatam ganesh namo yata swavinashe jagat sarva vedo tatata sano vishwato vishwato Jaya Sandha Manusya Sadatam Ganesha Namo Padama Yato Vandahi Mano Vavara Bojalandata Yata Sagaran Chandama Vyoma Vayu Yata Stavara Jandama Vriksha Sandha Sadatam Ganesha Namo Padama Yato Danava King Narayana Sandra Yakashtarana Varana Swapadasha Yatavachikita Yato Vina Kasha Sadatam Ganesha Namo Padama Yato Bodhira Yaganasho Momokro Yatai Sampato Bhakta Sannatosha Tadru Yato Vinganasho Yata Daya Siddhi Sadatam Ganesha Of all the forms of Ganesh that exist, there is one form you should never worship. Though you can go near it. If ever you look at pictures of Ganesh on the net or wherever all it is do, and you come across a black form of Ganesh, don't worship that one. That is trouble you don't want. That is called the Agora Ganesh. You leave that alone. But yet, it is the only place you are going to find the Ganesh Kavach in the Agora Ganesh. That is tantric, black magic. Leave it alone. But yet, all the scriptures say that the Kavach is the most important thing in worship. If you go back to 2 nights ago, when Lord Vishnu went to Siddhakshetra to worship Ganesh, he invoked the Kavach. If you go into the Mahabharata and you read, when Karan was born, he was born with a Kavach. It's a protective shield. So tonight, we will discuss the names of the different forms of Ganesh that is supposed to protect the human body. And we begin. Rishi Ganaka Patu Shirase Chanirantaram Trahi Mam Devi Gayatri Chando Rishi Sagamukhi. That great sage that is called Janaka, may he protect my head. The goddess of the universe, Gayatri Devi, and the Rishi of the Gayatri, may they protect my face. Hridaye patu maneya moje shagana devata gokya rakshatu tadavijam swaha shatish padayayo. May Uchishta Ganesh protect my heart. The beach, which is the sea, may it protect my organs. That Swaha, the Shakti that is called Swaha, may she protect my legs. Kamakila kasarvami vinayoga sarvada pasharya desada patu swashaktim magananayaka. Kamakilaka is the vinayog of the Ganesh Sahasranama. May that protect all my limbs. That Supreme Lord we worship by the name of Gananayaka, with Shakti on both sides of him, may protect both sides of me. Say Yayam Patu Tadabijam Bhomajitaravijatam Hasti Vatrashta Shirasi Lambodarulataki. May the beads, the seeds that are the seed mantra of Ganesh, protect between my eyebrows. Hastavaktra, the one who has the elephant face, may he protect my head. May Lambodar protect my forehead. Ochesto netrayo patu karano patu mahatmani pasha kushamahabijam nasikayam charachatu. May Uchishta Ganesh protect my eyes. Mahatma Ganesh, my head. the noose, the gold, the Mahavij, may it protect my ability to breathe properly. Bhuteshwara Parapatu Ajamajehana Swayam Vapu Tadavijam Patu Manejam Gravayam Kanatadeshake. That Lord whom we worship by the name of Bhuteshwara. Ganesh is worshipped as the Lord of wealth, the Lord of riches. May he protect my mouth. May Swayamvapu protect my tongue. May his beads always protect my neck, my throat. Gambijam cha tatarache tatatva grecha preshtake sarvakamashtahita patu patu macha kartvaye. That mantra which we chant, Gam. May that mantra protect me from behind. May it also protect me in the front of me. Sarvakama Shtahritapatu. Sarvakama, may he protect my hands. Ojisthaya cha hridaye bahani bijam tatodare maya bijam tatatatyam dvau urusiddhatayaka. That form of Ganesh that we call Uchishta Ganesh, may he protect my head, my heart, and the beads of Agni may protect my stomach. The Maya beads, may he protect my hip bones, and Siddhadata, my thighs. Jangayam Gananatasha Padavapatu Vinayaka Shirasapada Parayanta Mucheshtam Bhagananayaka. May that Lord we worship by the name of Ganana. May he protect the bone on my foot, what we call the shin bone. Protect that bone. May Vinaya protect my legs. From my head to my toe, let that form of Ganesh protect me. Apadamastakantammacha Umaputra Sapatuma Dishashto Chatatatashi Patale Vidishastate. That form of Ganesh, whom we worship as the son of Parvati, may he protect me from the opposite, from my toe to my head. May he protect me in the 8 different quarters that exist. May he protect the 8 corners of the cardinal points. Odadani Shamchama Patu Madachanchalochana Jalinale Chasanagrami Dushtaka Grihebani. Day and night, that form of Ganesh, Madachanchalochana, may he protect me. May he protect me in water. May he protect me on the battlefield. May he protect me in fire. May he protect me or prevent me from entering into prisons. May he protect me in the lonely places, forests and all those kind of things. Rajadwadi Gorapati Patumam Gananayaka Idamatu Kavacham Agogayam Mama Vata Viniragatam. May that Lord Ganesh protect me when I face the royal court. Well, here we just call it Parliament. And may he protect me, Patumam Gananayaka, from following that dangerous pathway. Lord Shiva says, this kavach that I explained to you, this has come from me. Trailoke Shatatam Patu Vimonaja Chaturabhuja Bahavyam Taram Patu Siddhibodir Vinayaka. May that form of Ganesh protect devotees always in the 3 worlds, wherever he is, with his 2 arms, with his 4 arms. Siddhi Buddhi Vinaya. That is the one we worship in this age, Siddhi Buddhi Vinaya. The one that has Siddhi and Buddhi with him. May he protect me externally, and may he protect my organs. Sarvasiddha Pradamadevi Kavachamriti Yasedidam Ekante Prajape Mantram Kavachamayokta Sanayutam. O Mother of the Universe, this kavach has the power and the ability to bless devotees with Riddhi and Siddhi. Riddhi and Siddhi is not the two women you have. That's a misconception that people have. That if you have God in you, you're supposed to have. Why you want to have God in you and remain poor? Why you want to be rich and not have God in you? It makes sense. So if I have God with me, I must be blessed with long life. I must be blessed with prosperity. That is what it symbolizes. Long life and prosperity. And everything that I do, I must be successful in that accomplishment. Whatever I set about to do, I must be successful. The sadhak, the devotee, Eka prajena ye mantram kavachamayukti samyutam. When you want to invoke this form of Ganesha for that kind of protection, it must be done in a lonely place. Lonely place in Sanatana Dharma is not a cemetery. Lonely place is not a cremation ground. A lonely place is when you build your house, you have a room especially put aside for that. When you go there, nobody will interfere with you when you go in there. That is the place. Idam rahasya matavacham mujeshta gananayakam sarva varaso nadevecham idam kavananayakam. This kavach of Lord Ganesh is a guarded secret. Understand why they don't read everything? It's a guarded secret. Amongst all the kavach, it is said that the kavach of Ganesh stands out amongst all of them. Etata kavacha mahamayam varanitam neva shataye dharma marta kama moksham chanana palapradam nrinam. No one can completely explain the kavach. Nobody knows who God is. Nobody can have a clue what God looks like. It's only when you see me go. Nobody knows how to explain it. But the human has dharma, artha, kama, moksha. The four great desires or wishes in life. This fulfills the four wishes. Just as you say in the Hanuman Chalisa, Joda Yagapalatar. There's a line in that text, in the Hanuman Chalisa. I don't remember. Whatever fruits that you desire in this lifetime, the Ganesh Kavach grants you that. Whatever you want. Shiva Putra Sada Patu Patu Mamcha Surarajita Gajananan Sada Patu Ganarashta Patu Mam. May that son of Lord Shiva always protect me. The one who is worshipped by all the devotees, may he protect me. May Lord Ganesh protect me. Protect me wherever I am. Sada Shakti Rata Patu Patu Mam Kama Vigabala Sarva Bharana Bhushavya Patu Mam Siddhurarajita. That Lord Ganesh must look after my life from the time of conception until the last day reached. That's the last thing I want to see before you go home. May he protect me. That Lord who is adorned with beautiful ornaments, whose body is covered with sindoor, may that Lord protect me. Panchamoda Karapatu Patu Mam Parvati Sutta Pasha Kushatara Patu Patu Mam Chadanishwara. Panchamoda. Where the Panchamoda? Moda is not something to eat. You think that's what it is? Panchamoda means the 5 different happiness that you get in life. That is what I need. May that son of Parvati protect me. The one who carries the noose, may he protect me. The Lord of riches, may he protect me. Gadadhara sada patu, patu mam kama mohita. Nagranani raka patu mam Ganeshwara. May that Lord protect me at all times. Every movement that I make in life, I should make that movement knowing that He is there with me. Akshayam varada patu shatiyota sadavatu Balachandra sada patu nana ratna vibhushita. That Ganesh, who is the giver of boons, accompanied by Shakti, that divine power, may he always protect me. May Balachandra, adorned with so much different types of gems, may he protect me. O Jeshta Gananata Sada Gurane Talochana Nadiyo Neda Sadvadam Patuma Gajakarnaka. May that Lord protect me from intoxication. Intoxication is not drinking. Naiko asajanama janamani. That is the intoxication we talk about. That we may never get corrupted by power to abuse people because you feel you have a little authority over them. Protect me from that. May that elephant head Lord protect me and guide me. Prasanna vadanama patu patu mam bhagavallabha Jakadhara sada patu mam chakiritaki. That Lord who is always happy, may He protect me with the 6 qualities in life that we need. You only 6 things they need, the 7 qualities that you need that. That coming whether you want it or you want it. Jakadhara, may He protect me for whatever clothes I put on my body. One of the fancy clothes people started making was a thing called terrorism. And they didn't know the danger with terrorism. But the danger with terrorism. If it gets eaten, it sticks out to your flesh. That clothes you really want to wear? Stick out to you. People building all the fancy house they have, and you know who hit them in the head? They see little plastic. You did that catch a fire, nothing can out. Fire will actually fall in from the food. They look pretty, but they're dangerous. May you protect me from those foolish dangers that we incur without really looking at it. We just guess and we guess wrong. Padma sanastita patu rata varanashta patu mam nagramat padon matata patu mam ganadevata. That Lord Ganesh who sits in the lotus posture, that one who has the color of blood, red form of Ganesh, may He protect me. When we sit and we chant the glories of God, Sahasranam is chanting the glories of God. When we do that, we must enjoy what we do. It mustn't be a labor of penance. That is not penance. If chanting God's name is a penance, something really wrong. That is not penance. Every time I do a young and ask the public and them to come and we chant this Sahasranam, I say, well, that is so long, boy. You understand? It's so long. Some of them don't take the chance, some of them don't take the chance. That's up to you. You see, when we chant these names, Ganadevata, may He protect us. Vamagi Sundari Yota Patuma Manmata Prabhu Kshetrayapi Kshetama Patumam Shruti Pataka. That one who has a companion on his left side, the Shakti on the left side, may he protect me. That Kshetrapal form of Ganesh, that is the one that appeared from Lord Shiva when Sati threw herself into the fire. And they said, Lord, she will pull out one in here and here. Slam it on the ground. Kshetrapal appeared. Kshetrapal, the deadly form of Ganesh. May that form of Ganesh protect my flesh from stars, from bullet wound, all that kind of thing. Protect me from that. Patumam Shruti Patakaha. To those who have made the sacrifice to study in depth the scriptures, may that form protect us also. Bhushana Dvastuta Patu Nana Bhoga Samanvita Smitananaya Sada Patu Shri Ganesha Kulanvita. In our quest, sometimes they just need to go by the beach and sometimes they go in the water. They could drown, you know that? Going to Marrakesh, you could drive off the cliff. May He protect me on such dangerous journeys. That Lord Ganesh, who is always smiling, may He protect me. Shri Rangita Chandana Maya Sulakshana Ganeshwara Shwetarka Gananatashta Haridra Gananayaka. They verse that calls the Bacchanal. Avoid red. Avoid red all the time, man. Right? Red is troubling Hinduism, you know. You won't go dress up in red and get married, you blind for life. You better do that, but red is not the color. It tells you, if you look at the Swamis, they have a red spot on the forehead. What they have below the red spot? It don't just be a red spot. Wait a minute. Whole thing is painted yellow first. And then they put the red spot. But if you put the red spot alone, and then Sagaboy then put the who have set up in front of the mirror with a toothpick. Blind for life. They could say what they want. They could never show me that in a book. You could never show me in a book where it says put a mala with flowers wrong a man neck. Who read it there? He blind for life. If you feel it pretty, you go ahead. It make you look good. I know we do that to somebody one night and we nearly kill them. We put some flowers in a little ant's nest, red ants. Take them up with a tweeze and put them in the mala. Like mala too bad. Whole night the neck will be like a mice. Ants biting for 2 hours. You understand? It's not for that purpose. You want to put a garland around a human neck who's a crook just like you. Wait wrong God. Mala is not for human to wear. Certain malas, you know, say you're supposed to touch it. I have a Rudraksh mala home that came from a Shivalingam in Connecticut. 54 years. You put that wrong in it, you fake away right here, so don't. Ask Charlie the joke about that, he will tell you. He had a nephew who used to play music about studying medicine in Ireland. He come to sing one night in the year and I said, how powerful you feel this mala is? He said, it looks like an ordinary one. And I take it out and I throw it from him. I say, put it on there. And he fall on right. That's Charlie what I will tell you. Everybody here make for that. You go in the shop and you buy a mala and you put it on. That has no use. That has to be invoked. When you invoke it, then it becomes a weapon. But other than that, it's just a zombie deed. You ever kick a stone in the road yet? Got no problem with that. No, you don't have a problem with that. There's a stone you kick, oh God, you're looking for it. You don't have a problem with that, right? Take the same stone out, carry it home, wash it out, wipe it out with a tissue paper, and put 3 chandan mark on it. You're going to kick it again after that? Why? Because of what it symbolizes. You understand? So everything in life is nothing until you make it something. It is useless until you invent it how you want it to become. Right? I want to spit on the dirt when we make that movie. I don't know where you get that dirt from. But the moment you make it, you want to go spit on it? Go there. Play brave now. The line between bravery and stupidity is so thin that you don't even know which side you're on. It's ordinary dirt. It's just ordinary dirt. But it's when you transform it and you mold it into what you want. It's the same thing with human life. Everybody born useless. Everybody born useless. Nobody have a purpose in this world. A child has no purpose. What purpose a child has in this world? There's a ball hole and make your life miserable. But as you begin to grow, then you mold certain. See, I had a funny experience yesterday. I met a little child. Where are you? Somewhere around here. An 11-year-old child who begging in Marabella. When you go to Linda's Bakery, she begging in front of Linda's Bakery. An 11-year-old girl. But if she feels she wouldn't get nothing from you, she has she copybook and she pencil and she writes it. She passed come on and runs for Ashka girls. Begging for help to go to school now. Went to register in the school and they didn't allow her to come in the school to register because she didn't have on her shoes. In this 21st century I'm telling you about 1940. In this 21st century, the group of us get together immediately. The only reason we didn't buy it last night because the store was closed down already night. This morning she's ready for school. Have everything she needs. Shoes. The store feels so sorry for me. They throw in 2 extra pair of socks too. They give me the socks for free. The book list, we don't take care of that. Uniform, we don't take care of it. And we told her, we will take care of you for the next 5 years. But, bring your report card. Let us see what you do. And we will do it for you. The Ministry of Social Development refused to help them. They could say what they want. They refuse. And they refuse on the grounds that she has both parents. If father fall off a ladder, he can't do nothing the rest of his life. But they don't know that. Because she has 2 parents, they refuse to help. So what do? You leave she to be molested in the road? You understand how dangerous that game could become? When she becomes a victim of molestation, you don't think she will encourage other girls to be molested too? So you have to take them off the street. You have to find a way to take them off. She sleeps on newspapers. When you want to read the papers, you don't buy none. You just tell she turn around and you read it from the back. We already find mattress and bed cushions. I talked about from last night to now. From last night I talked about when I leave. All this transpired. So like I say, everybody is born useless until you start to mold them into what you want now. And the danger is we live in a society where those children could be molded into what you don't want. To what you don't want. Because the glamour of a gun in your hand is a nice thing. To stick a gun in a fella's mouth and watch him wet down himself is fun for some people. There's a kata in the book when you're learning Hindi. A boy in the picture have a stone in his hand pelting at a frog. And the caption says, what is fun for the boy is death for the frog. If he hit the frog dead. So it's fun for him, but the frog is not. But there are many children like that outside there. Many of them, they don't want to know. Where are they? Our people we bury who family could bury them in the dead body. They couldn't buy coffee when you ate. We had to bury them. Who buried them? They don't know. The family don't know. Whatever is done very low key. There are plenty of people out there crying out for help. There's a lady who suffered a TIA maybe a few months ago. Only support is her son. Cannot stay home to take care of she because they have to work. And he decides work is important. He had to stay home and take care of his mother. Can't buy basic tablets or shit. Basic food he cannot provide. So tomorrow, Monday morning, we're going down Heathrow. Give us a list. You understand? Don't go for it. If you give us a list, we'll have it delivered to you. We'll give you a phone number. Anything you need, call that number. and it will reach you. Who paying for it? That's not your business. You take care of your mother. That's your job. You understand? How many people out there like that? Hundreds that we don't know. So look at them. Take these same very useless people and make them into something. Mold them. Bhoshana dvastu tamapatu nana bhoga samandita Vaishyaha sada patu Shri Ganesha kulandita. That Ganesh, may he protect my kul, my lineage, my family, my village, protect everything. Rakta Chandan Maya. That Ganesh to whom red Chandan is offered. Red Chandan is offered when your first baby murti with saffron, ari. And then you put the red Chandan. So the red goes on yellow. When you mix red and yellow together, what do you get? You never do art in school? One bunch of color, there are like a kind of orange kind of color. Sulakshana Ganeshwara. When we offer that to Lord Ganesh, it brings out the good qualities in Ganesh. May those very good qualities transform themselves from Ganesh to me. Shvetarka Gananatasya. That Lord Ganesh to whom we offer white madar flowers. Where does get white madar? Do you want to listen to another white madar? Where do you want to listen? Cemetery. That's going to cemetery. Go in any cemetery to see white madar. That has nothing to do with the flowers. You are at home? You want to pick up your yard and see who buried you. Haridra Gananayaka. May that Ganesh. There is a time when we worship Ganesh that we make the Ganesh out of Hari. Right? That Haridra Ganesh. May he protect me. Parabhadra Ganesha Patu Sapta Ganeshwara Pravalaka Ganaya Jaksho Gajadanto Ganeshwara Parabrahma Ganesh, the universal form. May he protect me. May that Ganesh who presides over gems, jewels, do not tempt us to become corrupted by that. As some people have glue in their hand. Anything they touch, it'll stick to them. Don't allow that to happen to me. May that Ganesh protect me. Gajadanta Ganeshwara. That Ganesh that is made from coral. May that Ganesh protect me. I have one that is made with this thing. What do you call this green thing? The green stone. Tell me what it is. Jade. I have a jade Ganesh. If that fall on the ground, it shatter like sand. Nobody touch that. I have one made out of crystals. Real crystals. When you put a company like it, you see some colors that never exist in the world. I do you let people touch that? That in a box. And that box in a box. And that box in a box. That's so safe. And it wrapped with this bubble wrap. Just to make sure people hang fast, they go through. I have a man come to clean Muritini, man when he break brass. You laugh, he break brass. So I go touch him with a crystal Ganesh. Are you mad? That's some my silly. That's some my focus. Panchananashjataravata. That form of Ganesh that has 4 faces. The one that has 5 faces. The one that has 6 faces, Kadanana Ganeshwara, who rides upon the peacock. May that form of Ganesh protect me. That Mayuravahan Patu Patu Mambu Shakana, that one who rides upon the mouse, may he protect me. Patu Mam Devadesha, Patu Ma Vindi Pujita, Patu Mam Saravada Deva. That form of Ganesh, who is worshipped by all the saints and all the sages, may he protect me. That Ganesh who is worshipped by all the celestial beings, may he protect me. May that Ganesh, who is worshipped by all the demons, may he protect me. Trailokya pujito deva patumam cha vivo prabhu rangastam cha sada patu sagarastam sadavatu. That Lord whom we worship as omnipotent, the one who is omnipotent, the one who is worshipped in the three worlds, may that Lord protect me. May that Lord protect me even if I am in the ocean. Bhumishtam cha sadavatu patalastam cha patumam antariksha sadavatu akashastam sadavatu. If I am on this earth, may that Lord protect me. If I end up in a place called Patal, may that Ganesh protect me. If I am in the sky, may that Ganesh protect me. May Lord Ganesh protect me throughout. Chatushpate sadapatu vipaksam cha patumam vilavastam cha vanastam cha patumam sarvatastaram. As we go through the journey of life, you reach a stage that is called the crossroad. Nobody don't know what that is. What is the crossroad in life? You are what you want. You feel you live more than half your life in it? Oh, you're so sure of that. You know? No, you feel it. Suppose you live 150. You don't reach half your life. You don't know how long you will live. But there comes a time when you believe you are at the crossroad. That is the time when you need help the most. When you are at the crossroads. Chatushpate sadapatu tripastam chapatumam, where these paths become interlocked. You don't know which way to go. Left, right, center, or way. You don't know what to do. You know, there's a thing in cricket, we used to say long time when they put in the field on the boundary, and a man flick one at you. You either go for the catch, or you go to prevent the boundary. Which one you go for? Nobody knows. It's only when you at mid-wicket on the boundary and that ball come in, then you gotta make that split decision. If you go for the catch, you could break your shoulder. If you try to stop the ball from going to the boundary, you could break your ankle. So either way, you're going to get damaged. Which one do you do? You have to go for one. That is the crossroad. It is a decision that you have to make in a split second. In making that decision in a split second, may you protect me, that I do not become harmed. If I am at Gilastakam Chabanastamja, Vilavastam means at the base of a big tree. If I am there, protect me. If I am in the forest, protect me. May you protect me on all sides. Rajanvara Sitamapatu Patu Mam Shigra Sedita Bhavani Pujita Patu Brahma Vishnu Shivarajita. May that Lord Ganesh protect me when I am in company that I cannot match. You put a man like me in a crowd of steamers, I can't solve anything about it. They will kill me first. I will survive that. Protect me from that kind of company. Bless me that whatever I have tried to accomplish in this lifetime, may you ensure that I am successful. That Ganesh who is worshipped by Parvati Devi, may that Ganesh protect me. May that Ganesh, Brahma, Vishnu, Shiva, Rajataha, who is worshipped by Lord Brahma, Lord Vishnu and Lord Shiva, may he protect me. As Lord Shiva was narrating the glories of the Kavach to Parvati Devi, this Kavach fulfills all desires whatsoever you can. Don't measure the problem you have. By reciting the Kavach, one can amass wealth. One can defeat formidable enemies. Nothing is impossible in this world for those who have worshipped that beautiful form of Ganesh by the name of Vinayaka. Nothing is impossible. And if you, as a devotee, have that kind of love for Lord Ganesh, you go take that murti and go in and throw it overboard. You sick. You have to be sick. And this murti going down in the water head first, you have to be sick. And when I see them idiot and then go buying 40-foot murti, then put the fuck back. The pandit himself can't swim. He makes all the judgment go back in the sea, but he put on a lifeguard and he want them. In case the boat capsizes, he will float. Who you fool? I mean, go on YouTube and watch it, man. All the thing advertising. One ring out the 200, ring out the neck and trade in the river. That's he going to tell you. Ring out the, you worshiping this. You claim to have so much love for Lord Ganesh. You understand? And you ring out the neck after. God ain't coming nowhere near you, partner. He freed you more than you freed him. If you have that love, make something that you can manage. I went to this family once and he was making a Ganesh murti. This was in June month, then he making it in June. I said, what is this for? He said, that's for Ganesh Chaturthi. Okay. So what are you really making? He said, Ganesh murti. I said, well, I have to see this one. Ralph was it. The murti big so. When he finished, it big so. Perfect. I said, where are you going to submerge that? Say, in a glass of water. In a glass of water. He says, if I have to submerge it in water, he said, Mark, which part to submerge it? I submerge it in a glass of water. When it melts, I throw it in the tulsi plant. Why you want to make a 40-foot boat? To prove what? That you have money to buy one of them? You can't put a chandan for a moon now. And then in the end, what you do with it? You disrespect it. This is why people think they're moving forward. You're not moving forward. You stagnant and you don't know. You stagnant. Ganesh is not about that. Coming up after the Pitri Patch is the Devi. We used to make a Devi murti out of dirt. And then for the use fluorescent paint and spray painted, but when you see that in a week, and at the end of the last night we submerged it in the river. But why you want to get something that you cannot handle, you can't control? Let me go back to the Hanuman Chalisa I was telling you about. Yoga Sahasra Yojana Parabhano, Leela Yuta, Adura Palajano. What are you? You have any idea what I mean? You have a clue at it. If you're punching that line on your phone, the translation is for fun. Punch it in. Somebody else must have a phone, man. Punching that line in your phone. Yoga Sahasra. Punch, are you serious? When you're ready, tell me. I'll tell you what to do. This one can't type and that one can't spell. Be in business. See why you need Ganesh in your life? He will spell it for you. See what the translation is. Hey. Hold it and tell me what it is.
Hanuman has traveled the far distance, such as Yoga Sahasra Yojana.
It doesn't mean that at all. It doesn't mean that at all. Yoga Sahasra Yojana Parabhanu means the distance between the earth and the sun. When the scientists calculated 528 years ago, Tulsidas was right. The figure he quoted, Yoga Sahasra Yojana Parabhanu, that figure, when you translated what the figure really means, is the exact figure that the scientists in the 21st century mean is the distance between the earth and the sun. And Hanuman traveled that distance, making the sun look like a fruit. So it had nothing to do how far Hanuman could go. That is why I said Tulsidas was a genius. He coded everything that he wrote. And people do not understand the code. And that's how you end up with them kind of translation where you end up with. That's how you end up with them madness. The distance between the earth and the sun. He calculated it a long time ago and he wasn't a scientist and he did have binoculars. How he know that? How we get that to you? But all the answers are there in our scriptures. But we have to treat it with a certain kind of dignity, a certain kind of respect. At the end of all yagya, when we sing the Ashtakam, when the last line in every chaupai of the Ashtakam, Pratidinam kushalam jaya mangalam. Pratidinam, every day. Kushalam, happiness must come to me. Jai mangalam, victory unto the giver of happiness. That we mean. So you worshipping this thing and going through everything with a fine-tooth comb, and yet in the end, you fling it overboard. You drop it. You polluting the place more because the amount of crate you have floating all about the place. Right? Them things not going to melt. They throw crate everything. All the cloth they wrap it up with, they throw all that in the water too. Isn't that pollution? And my God is saying, keep the place pure. Keep the place clean. I wouldn't put a flowers in my water when I go in. That's not possible. One might end up in my mistakes, but I will not intentionally put a flowers in the water. Shri Ganapati Ruvacha. Om Ganeshwaro Ganakrido Gananato Ganadipa Ekadanto Vakratundo Gajavatro Mahodara Lambodaro Dumavarano Vikato Vigananashana Sumuko Duramukho Bodo Viganarajo Gajanana Bhima Pramoda Amoda Suranando Mahotkata Heramba Shambara Shambur Lambakarano Mahabala Nandano Lambato Bhimo Meghanado Gajananjaya Vinayako Virupaksho Virashurvara Prada Mahaganapatir Bodhi Priyakshe Prasadana Rudra Priyo Ganajacho Uma Potro Ganashana Kumara Guru Yarishana Potra Moshakabhana Siddhi Priya Siddhi Pati Siddhi Siddhi Vinayaka Aviganashtumbura Singa Vahano Mohani Priya Katanto Rajaputro Shakala Samvito Mitaha Kushmanda Sama Sambotir Durjayo Durjayo Jaya Bhupatir Bhuvan Patir Bhota Tanam Patiyarabhyaya Vishwakarata Vishwamuko Vishwarupo Vidirguna Kavi Kavi Nam Rishabho Brahmanyo Brahmavad Priya Jeshtarajo Nidhi Patir Nidhi Priya Pati Priya Hiranyana Puranantas Surya Mandala Madhyaga Karaha Didyavatasin Sindhu Salila Pusha Dandave Umangili Kutaki Muktirda Kulapavana Kiriti Kundali Hari Banamali Manomaya Vaimukya Daitya Shri Padahati Nitakikshiti Sadyojan Swarannajo Mekali Duramita Gre Do Swapna Gitta Sahano गुणीनादा प्रतिष्ठिता स्वरूपो सर्वनेत्राभि वासो वीरानाश्रया पीतांबर खंडरद खंडवेशाक संस्थिता त्रिशांगा श्यामदशनो बालचंद्रो हविर्भुजा योगादीपस्तारकस्त पुरुषो गज कर्णका गणाधिराजो विजयो स्थितो गजापतिर्वजी देवदेवा स्मर प्राण दीपको वायुकीलका विपश्ये दरतो नादो नादाभिनन महाचला वराहरदनो मृत्युंजयो व्याघ्राजिनाम्बरा इत्ताशक्ति भवो देवा त्रातदैत्या विमर्दना शम्भुवक्त्रोद्भव शम्भु कोपः शम्भुहस्य भो शम्भुतेजा शिवा शोका आदिगौरी सुकावहा उमंगला जयो गौरी तेजो भू स्वधुरणी भवा यज्ञकायो महानादो गिरिवर्षं शम्भुनां सर्वात्म सर्वदेवात्मा ब्रह्मभूजा कुकुश्रुति ब्रह्मन्दा कुम्भस्योमा बालसत्या शिरोलुहा जगजलमल्लयो मेष निमिषज्ञाकरसोमृका गिरीन्द्रैकरदो धर्मा धर्मोष्टासामबृंहिता ग्रहरक्षणो वाणी जिह्वा वसनासिका ब्रोमद्या संस्थिता करो ब्रह्मवेद्या मदोदका कुलाचला सुसोमाय घनतो रुद्राशिरोधरा नदीनंदा भुवसर्पांगुल केतारा कानखा व्योमनाभि श्रीहृदयो मेरुपृष्ठोर्णवोदरा कुक्षिस्था यक्षगन्धर्वा रक्षकिन्नरमानुषा पृथ्वी कीतश्रेष्ठलिङ्ग शैलो रुद्रस्य जानुका पाताला जंगो मोनि पातकांगुष्टये तनो ज्योतिर्मंडलांगुलो हृदलाना निश्चला हृतपद्माकनिर्काशा लेबियकेलि सरोवरा सद्रभक्ता ध्यान निगद पूजा वारिणि वारिणा प्रतापी काशयपो मनका गणको वेष्टपीवली यशस्वी धर्मिको जेता प्रथमा प्रतयतेश्वरा चिन्तामणिरधिपति कलप्रदुम्बनालया रत्नमण्डपमध्यस्थो रत्नसिंहासनाश्रया तीव्राशिरोध्वतपदो ज्वालिनी मौलिलालिता नन्दान्दितानपीताश्री भोगदो भूषितासना सकामादायिनी पीता स्फुरदुग्रासनाश्रया तेजोवती शिरोरत्नं सत्यविद्यानतंसिता सविघ्नानाशनी पीता सर्वशक्तिं भुजालया लिपि पद्मासनाधारो वहनी दामोत्रया चला उननत प्रप्रदो घोड़ा गुलपसन्वृत पर्णिका पीतजंगा क्लिष्ट जानु स्थूलोरो प्रसन्न मद्गति निम्रनाभि स्थूलकुशी पीनवक्षा बृहद्भुता पीनस्कन्दकम्बकन्तो लम्बोष्टो लम्बनासिका मग्नवामरयदतुङ्गा सव्यदन्तो महाहनो ह्रस्ववेत्र त्रयाशूरपा करणो निबीदमस्तका स्तबकाकारकुम्भाग्रो रत्नमौलिर्निरकुंक्षुषी सर्पहारा कटिसूत्र सर्पयज्ञोपवीतवान् सर्पकोटिरकटका सर्पग्रैवेयकाङ्गदा सर्पककुशोधरा बन्द सर्पराजोत्तरचदा रक्तो रक्तांबरधरो रक्तमाला विभूषणा रक्तोक्षरो रक्तकरो रक्तताल्वोष्टपल्लवा श्वेतश्वेतांबरधरा श्वेतमाला विभूषणा श्वेतात्रया रुचिरा श्वेतचामरविजिता सर्वावयवसम्पूर्णा सर्वलक्षणलक्षिता सर्वाभरणशोभाद्य सर्वशोभासमन्विता सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्या सर्वकारणकारणम् सर्वदेवावराशाङ्गिर्बीजपूरी गदाधरा शुभंगो लोकसारंगा स्तुतंतुवर्णना कीर्ति कुंडली हारी बनमाली शुभांगदा इक्षुचापाधरा शूली चक्रपाणी सरोजभ्रे पाशी धृतोत्पलशालिर्मंजरी वृत्सवनन्तभ्रे कल्पवल्लीधरो वेश्वा भयोदयकाहरो वशी अक्षमालाक्षरो ज्ञान मुद्रावान् मुद्गरायुधा पूर्णपात्री कम्बुधरो वेदृतङ्कुशमूलका करस्तम्मा फलाशोक लिकाब्रेकोतारवान् पुष्करस्तस्वर्णगति पूर्णरत्नाविवर्षका भारती सुंदरी नातो विनाया करती प्रिया महालक्ष्मी प्रियातमा सेदलक्ष्मी मनोरमा रमा रमेश पूर्वांगो दक्षिणो मामहेश्वरा महीवरा वामांगो रतिकंदरपपश्रिता आमोदमोद जनना सप्रमोदा प्रमोदना संवतिर महाभ्रेदि रिद्धिसेदि प्रवर्धना दंत सौमुख्य सुमुखा कांति कंदर फलेश्रया मदनावत्याश्रितांग्री कृतवौमुख्या दुर्मुखा विघ्न संपल्लवा पद्मा सर्वन्नतमद्रवा विघ्न कृन्ना चरणो द्राविणी सति सत्यक्रे तीव्रा प्रसन्न नयनो ज्वालिनी पालिनी तै कद्रे मोहिनी मोहनी भोगा दायिनी कांति मंदना कामिनी कांतवताश्री रधिरतेष्टव सुंदरा वसुधारा मदोनादो महाशंका निधि प्रिया नवद्वासुमयति माली महापद्मानिधि प्रभो सर्वसद्गुरु सन सेव्या सोच सके सहृदाश्रया ईशान मुर्द देवंद्र शिखपवनंदना प्रत्युग्रनयनो देव्यो देव्य श्रासत पूर्वद्रे ऐरावतादि सर्वाश रानो वर्णना प्रिया वज्रादष्टा परिवारो गणचंदा समाश्रया जया जय परी करो विजया विजया वहा अजय रचेत पादब्जो नित्यानंद वनस्थिता विलासिनी कृतोल्लास शौंडी सौंदर्य मंडिता अनंतानंद सुखदा सुमंगला सुमंगला ज्ञानाश्रय क्रियाधार एचा शक्ति निषेविते सुभगदा संश्रितो पदो ललिता ललिताश्रया कामिनी पालना काम कामिनी कैलिलालिता सरस्वत्याश्रयो गौरी नंदना श्रीनिकेतना गुरुगुप्ता पदो वाच सिंधुवागीश्वरी पति नलिनी कामुको वामा रामो ज्येष्ठा मनोरमा रौद्रिमुद्रितमादब्जो हुम बीजस्तुंग शक्तिका विश्वदी जनना त्राणा स्वाहा शक्ति सकीलका अमृतब्धि कृतवासो मदर दुर्नीतलोचना उच्चिष्टोचिष्ट गण करो गणेशो गणनायका सार्वकालीन सन्सेदिर नित्य सेव्या दिगंबरा अनपायोऽनंत ददृश प्रमेयो जरामरा अनाविलोक प्रतिहनिर अच्युतामृतमक्षरा अप्रतक्तोक्षयो जयो नाधरो नामयो मला अमेया से द्विर्दाम दोगोग्नि समानता अनाकारोब्दीय समयग्नि बलग्नो व्यतलक्षणा आधार पीतमाधार आधारे वर्जिता आकुकेतनयाशा पुरक आको महारथा इक्षु सागर मध्यस्थ इक्षु भक्षण लालसा इक्षु चाता तिरेकाश्री ऋक्षु चापिनिके विते इंद्र गोसन्नमाश्री इंद्रनीला समुद्यति इंदेवरदलया श्यामा इंदुमंडल मंडिता इदम प्रिया इदा भागा इदा वानिंदिरा प्रिया इक्षवाको विनिर्जंसि इति कर्तव्ययेप्सिता ईशान मौलिरीशान ईशाना प्रिय ईहिता ईशाना त्रयकल्पान्ता इहा मात्रा विवर्जिता उपेन्द्र उद्गबृन मौलि रोदुनाता कर प्रिया उननतानन्नौत तुंगा उदारास्त्रे शशांग्रणी ऊर्जसवानोष्मलमदा ओहापो दुरासदा हृगयजो समानयना हृदिसेदि समर्पका ऋतोचेता कुलभो ऋणत्रया विमोचना लुप्त विघ्ना स्वभक्तानां लुप्त शक्ति सुरद्विषां लुप्त श्री विमुखाचारण लोतवे पोतनाशना एकारा पीतमध्यता एकपादा कृतासना एजिता किल जैत्याश्री रेजिका किल संश्रया ऐरावया निदेशे वै हितकामोऽस्मि का प्रदा ऐरं मदसमोन्मेष ऐरावत् समानना
स्वाहा
ओंकारा वाचय ओंकारा ओजसवानोषधीपति औदार्यानिधरे जंज धैर्य औनत्यनि समा अंकुशासुरनाग्नामा अंकुशाकार संस्थिता आसमस्ता विसर्गन्त पदेशो पर्यकीर्तति कमण्डलालोप्तधरा कल्पा कदरपि बलवानना कर्म साक्षी कर्म कर्ता कर्म कर्मा फला प्रदा कदम्बा गोलकारागा कूष्माण्डल गणनायका कारुण्य देह कपिल कथकाकति सूत्रभ्रे करवा खदग प्रिया खदगा कानन्ता स्वस्तकान्मिला कलवात श्रृंग निलया खतवांगी खरदासरा गुणाद्यो गहनो गद्यो गद्यपद्या सुधरणवा गद्यगाना प्रिया गरजो गीत गिरवान पूर्वजा गुह्यचारा रतो गुहयो गुहयो गमनिरूपिता गुहाशयो गुदब्दिष्टो गुरो गम्यो गुरुर्गुरु घंटा घर घरी कमाली कटकुंबो गदोदरा अंकार वाच अंकारो अंकारासन जुब्रिते चंदेश्वर चंदी चंदेश चंद विक्रमा चराचर पिता चिन्ता मनीश्चरणा लालसा चंदो भव चंदो दुर्लक्षय चंद विग्रह जगत्यो निर्जगत साक्षी जगदीशो जगन्मया जप्यो जप परो जाप्यो जेहवा सिंहसना प्रभो श्रवण गंधो सदलक्षं री ब्रह्मा मराकुला टंकारा स्पार सन्भ्रेतं अंकारा मनिनोपुरा तदबायी पललान्तश्च सर्वमन्त्रेषु सेददि धीमन्दी मुन्ददाकिनीशो दामरो दिन्दं प्रिया दककानि दाकमुदितो दौकङ्गो दुन्दि विनायका तत्त्ववाना प्रकृष्टत्वं तत्त्वं निरूपिता तारकन्तर संस्थान तारकस्तारकान्तका स्थानु स्थानु प्रिया स्थाता स्थावरं जंगमं जगत् दक्ष यज्ञो प्रमाथनो दाता दानं दमोदया दयावानिन्दव्याभीमो दण्डबृन्दन्दनायका दंता प्रभिन नाम मालो दैत्यावारण धारणा दंशकरालग्नदीपन्तो देवार्ताने ग्लजाकृता धनं धनपतिर्बन्धुर् धनदो धरणीधरा ध्यानैका प्रकटो ध्येयो ध्यानमध्यानपरायणा ध्वनि प्रकृति चीत करो ब्रह्मंदावनिमेखला नंद्यो नंद प्रिया नादो नादमद्या प्रतिष्ठिता निष्कलो निर्मलो नित्यो नित्यानित्यो निराश्रया
स्वाहा
परम व्योमा परम धामा परमात्मा परम पदम परात् परा पशुपति पशुपाशा विमोचना
स्वाहा
पराशरा परुष्पति पशुपाशा विमोचना पूर्णानंद परानंद पुराना पुरुषोत्तमा
स्वाहा
पद्मा प्रसन्न वदना प्रणता ज्ञान नाशना प्रमाण प्रत्ययानीत प्रणतार्थी निवारणा
स्वाहा
स्पनिहस्ता फणिपति भूतकारा पनेत प्रिया वानर चेतांग्रिया युगलो बालकेली कुतूहली ब्रह्मा ब्रह्मार्चित प्रदो ब्रह्मचारी बृहस्पति
स्वाहा
बृहत्तमो ब्रह्म परो ब्रह्महन्यो ब्रह्मवित् प्रिया बृहन्नादाग्राचीकारो ब्रह्मंडाली मेखला
स्वाहा
116 again. भोक्षयो पत्तलक्ष्मी को भर्गो भद्रो भयापहा भगवान भक्ति सुलभो भूति दो भूति भूषणा भव्य भूतालयो भोगा दात भूम जगोचरा मंत्रो मंत्रपतिर्मंत्रो मद मततो मनोमया मेखला ईश्वरो मंदा गतिर्मंदा निवेक्षणा महाबलो महावीर्यो महाप्राणो महामना
स्वाहा
यज्ञो यज्ञपतिर्यज्ञो गोप्तो यज्ञ फलप्रदा यशस्करो योगगम्यो यज्ञ को याजका प्रिया रसो रस प्रियो रच्यो रंजको रावणर्चिता राजरक्षा करो रत गर्भो राजा सुख प्रदा लक्ष्यो लक्ष्यपतिर्लक्ष्यो यलस्ति लज्जुका प्रिया लास प्रियो लास्य परो लाभकृ लोकविश्रुता वरेण्यो वहनिर्वदनो वन्द्यो वेदत गोचरा विकर्ता विश्वतश्चक्षु विदाता विश्वतो मुखा वामदेवो विश्वनेता बज्रि बज्रि द्रिवारणा विभस्वदन्नदो विश्व धारो विश्वेश्वरो विभो शब्द ब्रह्मा शब्द प्राप्त शंभु शक्ति गणेश्वरा शास्ता शिकाग्रनिलयो शरणया शंबरेश्वरा क्षत्रेतु कुसुमस्त्रगवि सदाधारा सदाक्षरा संसार वेद सर्वज्ञ सर्वबीज धनी जमा सृष्टिस्थिलियता क्रीडा सुराकुंजर भेदका सिंदुरीत महाकुंभ सर सर भोक्तिदायका साक्षी समुद्र मथना स्वयं वेद्या स्वदक्षिणा स्वतंत्र सत्य संकल्प सामगा नरता सुखी हंसो हस्ती पिशाची ग्लो हवनमहव्यमव्यवो हव्यम हुत प्रियो कृष्णो हृललेका मंत्रमज्जगा क्षेत्रादि क्षमा भरता क्षमाक्षपापरायणा क्षेप्रक्षेम करक्षेम नन्तक्षोभे सुरद्रुमा धर्म प्रद्योर्तता कामा दात सौभाग्यवर्धना वेद्याप्रदो विद्वद्वरो भुक्तमुक्तिफलाप्रदा आभिरूप्या करो वीरा श्रीप्रदो विजयाप्रदा सर्ववश्या करो गर्वा दोषः पुत्र पौत्रदा मेधादा कीर्तिदा शोका हानि दौभाग्यनाशना प्रतिविद्मुक्कसतम्बो रुष्टचेता प्रदादना परिभिचार शमनो दुःखः बन्धमोक्षदा लव सृष्टि कला काष्ठ निमेष तत्परायणा गति सुमूर्ता प्रहरो दिवानता महर्षिणा पक्षुमा सरतया जोगम कल्पोया महालया राचिस्तारातितुर्योगी बारकारण शंकरा लग्न होरा काल चक्रम मेरु सप्तर्षयो ध्रुवा राहुरमंद कविर जीवो बुद्धो भौम शशि रवि काल सृष्टि स्थितिरविश्वम स्थावरम जंगमम जगत् भूरापग्निर्महद व्योमा अन्कृति प्रकृति पुमान् ब्रह्म विष्णु शिवो रुद्र ईश शक्ति सदा शिवा त्रिदशा पितरा सेदा यक्ष रक्षासि किन्नरा सेद विद्याधरा भूतो मनुष्वा पश्यवा खगा समुद्र सरिता शैला भूतभव्यं भवोद्भवा सांख्यवं पांजलो योगी पुराणानि श्रुति स्मृता वेदांगानि सदाचारो भीमांसो न्याय विस्तरा आयुर्वेदो धनुर्वेदो गंधर्वं कव्यनष्टकं वैखानसं भागवतं मनुष्णं पांचरात्रकं शैवमपाशुपतमकाल मुखाभैरावसन्नमं शक्तं वैनायकं सौम्यं जैनमारत संहिता सदसव्यक्तमव्यक्तं सचेतनमचेतनं वन्द्यो मोक्षो सुखम भोगो योग सत्या मनुर्महान् स्वस्ति हुन्पत् स्वाहा स्वाहा शौषध वौषध वसन्नमा ज्ञानमविज्ञानमानन्दो बोधसंवित् समो समा एक एकाक्षराधार एकाक्षर परायणा एकाग्रीधीरके वीरा एकोनेक स्वरूप दृक् द्विरपो द्विरभुजो व्यक्षो द्विरदो दीपराक्षका द्वैतमातुरो द्विरधनो द्वन्द्वहीनो द्वयातिगा त्रिधागा त्रिकर त्रेष्ठ त्रिवर्गा फलयदायका त्रिगुणात्मका त्रिलोकादि त्रिशक्तिशस्त्रलोचना चतुर्वेदाचो वृत्ति परिवृत्ता प्रवर्तका चतुर्बाहुश्चतुर्दन्तश्चतुरात्मा चतुर्भुजा चतुर्वेदोपयामजस् चतुर्वर्णाश्रमाश्रया चतुरति पूजया प्रीतश्चतुरतिथीयसंभवा पंचाक्षरात्मका पंचात्मा पंचस्त पंचक्रेतमा पंचधारा पंचवर्ण पंचाक्षर परायणा पंचताला पंचकर पंचा प्रणवन मात्रिका पंच ब्रह्मा मया स्फूर्तिर पंचावरण वादिता पंचभक्षा प्रिया पंच वानपञ्चाशिकात्मिका षष्टकोणापीतशतक क्रोधामाशदग्रन्थबेग शदशङ्द्वान्ति शन्दुल्ला महाह्रदा शनमुको भ्राता षष्टशक्ति परिरारिता शौदवैरी वर्ग विद्वांसी शोधभिर्भयभञ्जना शतत्कर दूर शतकर्मा शतागुणा शङ्गदाश्रया सप्ततालाचरण सप्तदीपोरुमण्डला सप्तस्वलोकमुकुता सप्तसप्तिवरा प्रदा सप्तङ्गराजसुखद सप्तशे गणवन्विता सप्तश्चन्दो निधि सप्त होतृ सप्तस्वराश्रया सप्तादिकेलिकासार सप्तमात्रीनि सेवितः सप्तश्चन्दो मोदमदा सप्तशचन्दो मकप्रदा अष्टमूर्ति ध्येयमूर्ति रष्टप्रकृतिकारणम्
स्वाहा
अष्टाङ्गयोगफलभ्रेष पदाम्बोजसानः अष्टशक्ति समाना श्री रैश्वर्या प्रवर्धना अष्टपीतोपपीता श्री अष्टमात्री समावृता अष्टवैरवसेभ्यष्ट सुवन्द्योष्टमूर्तभृत् अष्टचक्रास्फुटिरमूर्ति रष्टद्रव्याहविरप्रिया अष्टश्री अष्टसामा श्री रतेष्वेया प्रदायका नवनागानसाध्यासी नवदेद्यानुशासिनी नवद्वारे पुराभृतो नवद्वाराणि केतना नवनाथ महानाथो नवनागा विभूषिता नवरागायनतुल्य नवदुर्गा निशेषवेद नवरत्ना विचित्रांगो नवशक्ति शिरोदभृत् दशात्मको दशभुजो दशदिग्पाती यवन्विता दशाध्यायो दशप्राणो दशेन्द्रिया विनम्मका दशक्षारा महामन्त्रो दशशव्यापी विग्रहा एकादश महारौद्र स्तुतश्चक्रा दशाश्रया द्वादशा द्विदशाष्टादि दौरदण्डा निकेतना त्रयोदशा विभाविननो विश्वे देवादिदैवतम् चतुर्दशेन्द्रिया वरदा चतुर्दशा मनोप्रदा चतुर्दशा विद्याद्या च चतुर्दशा जगत्पति साम पंचादशा पंचादशी शीतांशु निर्मला तिथि पंचादशा काष्ठी तथा पंचादशर्चिता षोडशादा निलया षोडशस्वरमात्रदे षोडशान्ता पदावास षोडशेन्दु कलात्मका कला सप्तादशी सप्ता दश सप्तादशाक्षजा अष्टादश यद्वीपपति रष्टदशा पुराणकृ अष्टादश दधि सृष्टि अष्टदशा विधि स्मृता अष्टादश लपि व्याष्टि समाष्टे ज्ञान को विदा अष्टादशन्न सपति रष्टदशा विजाति कृत एकविंशा पुमानाविन् शतयंगुल पल्लवा चतुर्विंशति तद्वामा पंचविंश व्यपूर्षवा सप्तविंशाति ताकीश सप्तविंशाति योगकृत् द्वात्रिंशौद्रा नदीशाचु त्रिसंध्याया महाह्रदा शतश्रिंशत् तत्त्वसन्नभूतिर् अष्टशत्कलात्मिका पंचदा द्विशोशकेश पंचषन्मात्रिकालया द्वे पंचादश वपोश्रेणी त्रिषष्ट्याक्षरय संश्रया पंचादशाक्षर श्रेणी पंचशद्रुतविग्रहा चतुष्टेया महासिद्धि योगिनी वृंदवंदिता नमदेको नमा पंचन मरुद्वरनाय गर्लया चतुष्टा तीर्थनिचेतेता चतुष्षष्टि कलानिधि अष्टमष्टि महातीर्था क्षेत्र भौरवरवन्विता चतुर्नवामत मंत्रात्मा शननवत्यादिक प्रभो शतानंदा शतधृति शतपुत्रात्येक्षणा शतानीका शतामका शतधारा वरायुधा सहस्रपत्र निलया सहस्रापणियभूषणा सहस्य शीर्षा पुरुषा सहस्रक्षा सहस्रपात् सहस्रनाम संस्तुष्ट सहस्राक्षा बलापहा दशसहस्रा पनिर्भृता फणिराजा कृतासना अष्टश्रीति सहस्राजा महर्षेतो यपानिता लक्षाकार प्रियाधारो लक्षधारा मनोरा चतुर्लक्षा जपा श्री चतुर्लक्ष यकाशका चतुराश्रीतिलक्षाणं जीवानं देह संस्थिता कोटि सूर्या प्रतीकाश कोटि चंद्रा सुबिर्मला शिवोद्भूताद्य कोटि वै नायका सररंदरा सप्तकोटि महा मंत्र मंत्रिता वयवाद्युता त्रयातिशतकोटा श्री श्रेणी प्रणत पादुका अनंत देवता सेव्यो यनंता शोभनानयका अनंता नाम अनंता श्री अनंतानंत सौख्यदा अनंत शक्ति सहितो यनंता मुनिय संस्तुता इति वैनायकमनाम्यं सहस्रामिदयमीरितम् इदम ब्राह्मी मुहूर्तेय पतति प्रत्यहं नरा करस्तं तरस्त सकलो मौहिकामोष्मिकं सुखम् आयुरावोग्यमेश्वर्यं धैर्य धैर्यावलो यशा मेद प्राज्ञा धृति कांता सौभाग्यामा विरूपिता सत्यं दया क्षमा शांतिर दक्षिण्यं धर्मशीलता जगत संवत्ननम विश्वा समवादो वेदपातवम् सभा पंडित्यां रौर्यं गांभीर्यं ब्रह्मवर्चसम् ओजस्तेजाकुलमशीलं प्रतापो बीजमार्यता ज्ञानमविज्ञानमासेक्यं स्थैर्यं विश्वासता तथा धनधन्यादिगे दीक्षा चक्रेतस्ता जपोर्भवेत् वशयं चतुर्विधमविश्वं जपादस्यं प्रजायते राज्ञो राजा कुलस्रस्य राजपुत्रस्य मंत्रिता जप्यते यस्य वशयार्थे सादस्य तस्य जानते धर्मार्थकाम मोक्षान्य मनायासेन साधनम् शाकिनी दाकिनी रक्षो क्षराग्रया भयापहम् साम्राज्या सुकदम सर्वा सपत्नं मदयमर्दनम् समस्त कल हदवनसि दगबीजा प्रहोरणम्
स्वाहा
दुःस्वप्नाशसना क्रोधस् वामचेता प्रदासनम् शदवर्गष्टमहासिद्ध त्रिकाला ज्ञानकारणम् करकृत्या प्रशमनम् परचक्रा प्रमर्दनम् सनग्राममार्गसवशेष मिषमेका जयावह सर्ववन्द्यावत वदयोग्यम् गर्भरक्षाय कारणम् पच्यते प्रत्यहमयत्र स्तोत्रं गणपतेरिदम् देशतत्रे च दुर्भक्षिं तयो दुरतीयतानिता नातदगेहं जहाति श्री यत्र यं जप्यते स्तवा क्षया कुष्ठा प्रमेहार्षा भगवन् देयजूतिका गोलमं प्लीप्लहाशाम मतिर्सारं महोदरम् कासमश्वास सुदरवरतं शूलशोपामयोदरम् शिरोरोगं वमिमहिककां गन्धमण्डालमनोचकम् वातपीतान द्वन्द्वात्रि दोषजनियत ज्वरम् आगनन्तो विमशमशीत मोशनमशैकहितादिकम् इत्याद्युक्त्या मनोक्तं वा रोगदोषादिसम्भवम् सर्वं प्रशमयतयाशुं स्तोत्रस्य सक्रे जपा प्राप्यते स्या जपासेति स्त्रीषु द्रैपतिरेरपि सहस्रनाम मंत्रोऽयं जपतव्या शुभाप्तये महागणपति स्तोत्रं सकामा प्रजपन्निदम् इच्छया सकला भोग नुपभोजे पार्थिवान् मनोरथा फलैरदेव्यै व्योमयानैर्य मनोरमै चन्द्रिदा भास्करोपेन्द्र ब्रह्मशरवादि सत्सुमा कामरूपा कामगति कामद कामयदेश्वरा भोक्त्वा यतीप्सिता भोगान् भीष्टैः सहाय बन्धुभिः
स्वाहा
गणपेशानचरो भूत्वा गणो गणपति प्रिया नन्दीश्वर दिशा गन्धै नन्दिता सकलै गणै शिवाभ्यामाय कृपया पुत्र निर्विशेषमलालिता शिवभक्ता पूर्णकामो गणेश्वरावरात् पुनः जातिस्मरो धर्मपरा सर्वभौमो विजानता निष्कामस्तु जपन नित्यं भक्त्या विघ्नेश्वर तत्परा योग सिद्धिं परा प्राप्य ज्ञान वैराग्य संयुता निरंतरे निरावादे परमानंद संगीते विश्वोत्तीर्णे परिपूर्णा पुनरातिरयवर्जिता लीनो वैज्ञायके धाम्नि रमते नित्य निर्वृते यो नामभिर्हुतैर्दते पूजये चेया नरा राजानो वशयमयान्ति रिपमो यान्ति दास्यताम् तस्य सिद्ध्यन्ति मन्त्राणं दुर्बभश्चेष्टसेदया मूलमन्त्रादपि स्तोत्रं मिदप्रियातमं मम नमस्ये मासि शुक्लानं चतुरता मम यजन्मनि दुर्वावीना भविरपूजं तर्पणं विधिवचये Explain this please. Nabhasyame masi shuklayam chaturta mama janmani. I was born on the fourth day. Durvavi Nama bhi pujam. When you worship me, plenty dubras. And after dubras, Tarapanam Vidivat Charit. Pitri Paksh comes. Ancestral worship. Hinduism is not Vaps. I tell people that all the time. It's a constant flow. That when we finish here tonight, tomorrow we glorify the ancestors. And we do that for 16 days. Then we adorn the Mother of the Universe. Then we worship Diwali. And then you have the Gita Jayanti coming up. It's a constant flow. One flows into the other. So after the Dubras is Tarpanam, ancestors. Ashtadabhyai Visheshena Kurayabhati Susanyuta Tapasyepsitam Dhanam Dhanyameshwa Vijaye Yasha Bhavishyati Nasanadega Potra Potradikam Sukam Idam Prajapitam Stotram Patitam Ashravitam Shrutam Vyakritam Charachitam Adhyatam Veshreshta Bilanditam Ihamutra Cha Veshvesham Veshvevara Pradakpayam Swachanda Charina Pesha Yena Sandaryate Stava Sarakshate Shivodabhotar Ganeshwa Yashtakotabhi Likitvam Pustakam Tastotram Mantrabhotam Prabhujitam Tatta Saravotama Lakshmi Sannidatte Nirantaram Mani Likitvam Pustakam Yastotram, those who write the Ganesh Puran Prapapujayet have performed the highest form of worship. Tatta Saravotama Lakshmi, all prosperity will be with them. Sannite Nirantaram, when they depart from this world, there is nothing to do for them. Don't do no shaving, don't do no bandara, pakahipa will not burn them. They're done. Because of that name of Ganesh. Dvanane Shesha Kila Vratesha Tirtara Shesha Kila Marakshate Natat Palam Vindati Tada Ganesha Sahasranam Smarena Sadhya Swaha. Oh, you're sleeping on me, man. Eta Nama Sahasratam Patati Dinnavano Pratyaham Projahane Sayamamadyananditeva Trishavan Matva Santatava Janoya Sayasyeshwara Durya Prabhavita Vachasam Kiratimo Chaitano Bidharidyahandaveshwam Vashayati Suchitam Vartate Potra Potra Akinjo Pekeka Chetato Niyata Niyatasana Prajapancha Chaturamasan Ganesharyana Tarpara Daridratam Samunamola Sapta Janmanugamani Labate Mahatim Lakshmi Metyagya Parameshwari Ayushyam Vitarogyam Kulamati Vilayam Samapadashtati Nashakiratish Nitya Vadata Bhavati Kalu Navakantira Vyabhyabhya Putra Santa Kulasriyam Bidasha Doko Vararakala Kashyapo Nandano Vacha Siddha Dundi Vinayaka Modakaire Biratrika Vinshatyana Babi Puman Upayanam Dadadi Bhatya Mat Prasadam Chakirshita Vatsaram Vignarajasya Tatayamishtartha Sedyati Yastotrati Madagatamano Mamaradanamatpara Stutato Namya Sahasrina Tenaham Natra Sanshaya. Everything you have now, you have two shares. Everything going in two. नमो नमः सुरवर पूजितांग्रये नमो नमो निरूपम मंगलमात्मनि नमो नमो विपुलदयैक सिद्धये नमो नमो करकी कलभाननाय मे स्वाहा लास्ट वन किंकिनी गण रचित चरण प्रकृति गुरमित चारु कर्णा मद जल्लल हरि कलित कोपाल शम्यतो दुरितं गणपतिं मनाम स्वाहा। इति श्री गणेश महापुराणे उपासना कंडे ईश्वर गणेश संवादे गणेश सहस्रनाम स्तोत्रनाम शतशतवांशितो अध्याय। बोलो श्री गणेश चंद्र भगवान की जय।
कमलेभ्यो नमः स्वाहा। ओम गुरुवाये स्वाहा।